So your x-rays can look normal, but you can still be injured. Hey guys, Dr. Zach here with Infinity Wellness Center in Aurora, Colorado. So here at Infinity Wellness Center, we take very specific detailed x-rays on all car accident patients. What ends up happening is x-rays are great for detecting fractures and breaks. But what they don't detect are actually soft tissue injuries, as in like muscle strains, ligament damage, like joint dysfunction. That's why many patients after car accidents, when they go to the hospital and they get x-rays, everything that they say that they report fine, but they're still in pain. With chiropractic evaluations, we make sure that we do a very detailed examination and a full set of digital x-rays so that we can see how the spine is functioning, not necessarily what it looks like. Here is a great example of a patient who was in a car accident. Two of them actually within a short period of time, and he was rear-ended. So when we look at this here, what we see is this green arch right there represents what the normal neck bone should align in. But then we can see all the red lines are where his bones actually are located. They do not match the green arch here, which lets me know that there is damage, weakness, stiffness, muscle strain, ligament instability happening within his neck. Now, the x-rays at the hospital told them that he's fine and here's some naproxen, which is going to help with the pain and inflammation, but it's not going to fix any of the joints that has misaligned right here. All these red lines should match up with each other and connecting the lines, but as you can see, they're jagged. And they're all about 2 millimeters separated from each other, which lets me know there's ligament instability. To further evaluate that spine, we take additional x-rays. This here is known as an extension x-ray. And as you can see, all these red lines match up perfectly if we connected them together, as well as that neck curve looks beautiful, but that's with his head back. Now, this is when we have them do flexion x-rays, so we can see how bad is that instability. And you can see how these red lines here get worse compared to the original x-ray that we originally looked at. This very top one was at 2 millimeters of it sliding forward, and it increased up to 7. So there's a lot of instability at these top 4 bones in his neck from the car accident. So if you've been evaluated by medical doctors and medical profession, great. Glad that everything went okay on that end, but there's still damage that has occurred. That's why you need to seek out a chiropractor. Here at the Infinity Wellness Center, we specialize in car accident cases to make sure that you get back to your normal function and back to normal life that you had prior to the accident. Because the accident wasn't your fault. It was the person behind you or on the side of you or in front of you that had happened. But we can help you with that. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 720-747-5333. Make sure that you like this video and share it with any loved ones. Thank you.